Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Today we are going to learn how to use question tag. Question tag is something that normally in Hindi when we say hai na, hai ke nahi, these kind of expression we use in English as a question tag. For example, you are a student. दिस इज द स्टेटमेंट यू आर ए स्टूडेंट. आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं. अब हमें बोलना है कि नहीं, तो हम बोलेंगे aren't you. aren't you means are not you. aren't you. अब ये बनाते कैसे हैं? This sentence has are as a helping verb, so we make negative here and we say aren't you. This is a simple affirmative sentence. If the sentence is negative, then we will not use not. For example, you are not a teacher. अब हमें इसका क्वेश्चन टैग बनाना है. When we say you are not a teacher, question tag would be are you. आप टीचर नहीं हैं? हैं क्या? Are you? Similarly, if the helping verb is do or does, we can accordingly make question tags like you study here. The question tag would be don't you? He studies here. Doesn't he? He studied here. It's a past tense. And in past, the helping verb would be did. When we say you studied here, didn't you? Or you did not study here, did you? So this is how we make question tag. Means the statement, if the statement is negative, the question tag would be positive. And if the statement is positive, then the question tag would be negative. Normally, if you use this in your questions, in your statement, then you will sound very near native. It's not like you have learnt it. It sounds like this is natural for you. If I say hai ke nahi, the sentence is learning English is easy. The question tag would be isn't it. मैंने बोला कि इंग्लिश सीखना आसान है और उसके बाद इसमें क्वेश्चन टैग लगाया है कि नहीं, so we can say isn't it. है कि नहीं. So isn't it, why I used isn't it? Because the sentence is it is easy to learn English or learning English is easy. So the helping verb is, so we can say isn't it because the subject is it. Similarly, you can make different question tags of affirmative and negative sentences. Remember, if the sentence is negative, the tag would be positive. If the sentence is positive, the question tag would be negative. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you.